Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to multiply in base 5. Let's look at some examples. We have 3044 in base 5 multiply by 20 in base 5. 0 multiplied by 4 is 0, 0 times 4 is 0, 0 times 0 is 0, 0 times 3 is 0. 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 in base 5 is 1, remainder 3. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 in base 5 is 1, remainder 4. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 in base 5 is 1, remainder 1. You now add. Now 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 3 is 3. And 3 in base 5 is 0, remainder 3. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 in base 5 is 0 plus remainder 4. 0 plus 1 is 0 is 1, and 1 in base 5 is 0, remainder 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So you have 1 1 4 3 0 in base 5. Let's look at more examples. We have 2 2 2 0 in base 5 multiply by 4 3 in base 5. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 in base 5 is 1, remainder 1. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 in base 5 is 1, remainder 2. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 in base 5 is 1, remainder 2. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 in base 5 is 1, remainder 3. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 in base 5 is 1, remainder 4. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 in base 4 is 1, remainder 4. You now add. You have 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 in base 5 is 1, remainder is 0, remainder 1. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 in base 5 is 2, remainder 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 in base 5 is 1, remainder 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So you have 2 1 2 0 1 0, all in base 5. More examples. You have 2 1 0 2 base 5 multiply by 4 4 base 5. 4 times 2 is 8, and 8 in base 5 is 1, remainder 3. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 times 4 is 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 in base 5 is 1. Remainder 3. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 in base 5 is 1. Remainder 3. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 in base 5 is 1. Remainder 3. You then add 3 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 in base 5 is 1. Remainder 0. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 in base 5 is 1. Remainder 3. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 in base 5 is 1. Remainder 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have 203043 all in base 5. Thank you for watching.